Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel. Today we bring you the latest update from South Sudan and beyond. These are not just ordinary stories. They are serious, sad and shocking stories that affect the people of South Sudan. Before we proceed with this latest update, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. We are going to look at 4 top stories. First, the shocking testimonies from SPLA-IO detainees facing trial in Juba. Second, the release of SPLA-IO official Alfred Ganmai after his sudden arrest. Third, deadly ambush along the Juba-Bor road and what SSPDF plan to do. And finally, the tragic clash in Abyei that left at least 14 soldiers dead. Let's begin with our first top stories, the detainees that are facing torture and a special court trial in Juba. In Juba, SPLA-IO leader and soldier who were arrested earlier this year are now facing a special court trial, but the court is not ordinary. Many people believe it is politically motivated against the SPLA-IO and their leader, Dr. Riek Machar. One of the detainees, General Gabriel Doblam, gave a shocking testimony. He said, and I quote, "During my arrest, I was taken from Giada together with my bodyguard. When we reached Jammus cell, the Jammus detention, I was separated from them. From that very night, I was handcuffed and severely tortured. Paul Nang, the newly appointed chief of defense, visited me after 2 days. He looked at me and said, 'I will kill you with my own hand.' For 6 months, I lived handcuffed until 23rd of September 2025. Despite being the co-chair of the Joint Defense Board and citizen, I was tortured." He stated. This is a testimony from General Gabriel Doblam. This is not just shocking, it is also sad. A top general, someone who worked for peace monitoring, was chained and tortured like a criminal. It does not stop there. Reports show that Dr. Riek Machar himself, who is a peace signatory and the leader of SPLA-IO, has also been detained since March 26, 2025. He was put on trial with other SPLA-IO leaders. The international community has called for his unconditional release, warning that keeping him under detention will not bring peace but will fuel more conflict. To make the matter worse, one of Dr. Riek Machar's personal bodyguard, Captain Luka Gatok Nyon, was tortured to death inside custody on September 18, 2025. Just before the trial began, his family is still demanding justice. This shows us the reality of the current situation in South Sudan. Many people are targeted simply because they belong to SPLA-IO or because they are Nuer. The question remains, will this special court bring peace or will it take South Sudan back to another civil war? That's the question everybody should be asking. Let's look at the National Security Service releasing SPLA-IO officials. This is a second story. In Juba, according to the report, the National Security Service released an SPLA-IO official after arresting him without clear charges. His name is Alfred Ganmai, Information Secretary of Mayom County SPLA-IO caucus. Ganmai was arrested inside Freedom Mall while attending the court trial of Dr. Machar and 7 others. Security officials accused him of refusing a search order, but he denied this. The SPLA-IO usually call his arrest unlawful and part of intimidation against SPLA-IO members. A day later, he was released. SPLA-IO Youth League spokesperson Gatiek Wishar confirmed his freedom and thanked everyone who worked for his release. This incident showed the tension surrounding the ongoing trial. Even simple observers can be arrested without reason. This is a systematic way of targeting individuals in South Sudan. Our third story takes us to Jonglei State, where security is collapsing on the road between Juba and Bor. In the recent week, there has been a rise in deadly ambush. On Thursday morning, a convoy carrying Red Kwang, the Director General of the Jonglei State Ministry of Health, was attacked in Mogiri. His condition is still unknown. On Tuesday, another ambush happened between Bilnyang and Mogiri. Army men attacked a passenger vehicle, wounded 2 people and looted money and luggage. Passenger had to run into the forest for safety. The Jonglei State Information Minister, Nyamarlun, condemned the attack. She said this is not only a crime against individual, but also against public service delivery and the right of people to travel safely. The SSPDF spokesperson, Major General Lure Kong, admitted that ambushes are increasing at an alarming rate. He said the military will now deploy more troops, set up a checkpoint, and increase patrol along the Juba-Bor road. But many residents believe this is not enough. They want long-term solution because when you look at all these criminals, they are still hiding in areas like cattle auction center, where ambushes are often planned. Travelers are living in fear, and the road remains one of the most dangerous in South Sudan. Most of the time when the government of South Sudan try to look for these individuals, criminals, there's nowhere they can find them. But people are suggesting that these are cattle raiders, which always, were with the people that are, auction cattle. So whenever the market done, that is when they plan their attack and start attacking the people that their money, especially those that are coming from Juba going to Bor, or from Bor to Juba. This is where most of the time a situation occurred. But according to the SPDF spokesperson, they say that they are planning to deploy more military on the roads, or they are trying to set up checkpoint and increase patrol along the Juba border. Our latest story today is from Abyei, where clashes broke out inside Unified Force. This is a deadly attack happened between the SPLA-IO and SSPDF. Let's take a look at it. The Unified Force was supposed to bring peace by joining SPLA-IO and SSPDF into one army unit. But this week, a fight started between 2 officers over a personal matters. A report indicated that the report said it may have been about a woman or a simple argument. Whatever the cause, the fire quickly spread. Guns were fired and bodyguard joined. In the end, at least 14 soldiers were killed, 8 from SSPDF and 6 from SPLA-IO force. 1 civilian may have also died in the process. After the incident, more than 400 SPLA-IO soldiers deserted their position and moved north. They have left the camp. This is very worrying because the Unified Force was created under the 2018 peace agreement to protect VIPs and maintain stability in the country. Now it is unity is broken. A medical official confirmed that many wounded soldiers are still in hospital. The clash comes at a time when Dr. Machar himself is detained and peace implementation is weak. Many fear that these clashes are just the beginning of more serious problems. Jo ban ling waseme ban raketin kon tin lat korodian kenyam Ken Kononiam Gorigen or there and there Changfied YouTube channel there just support, they subscribe for the notification bell, they just one. Go misha take a misha break guas me da shwa mala shube kiji go no be notification bell just trying to be subscribe jen and do dan and be channel be just support keje no channel je to kaler tin ban link ke jen guas me te kon kaler shup ko wanda ban link la ramkel ka SPLA-IO tin cha yen mula kwer di ni ba jen cha right ka ta dan cha cheng je ka je re ti jen ke sha je torture ta ban je link ka je ler mane te kon ke ler rode ramme cha yen ka SPLA-IO official wudu shal Alfred Gadmai no jen cha je yen ka shala do jen cha je lun do dan en lun ge je ban je link do dan yen ge ban je link diodien banarwache no ke juba bor duopen jen ke juba we bor wa cha na cha kambutin no ko kila na la kambush antame wa chi kume SSPDF kume kin me yadit chi kana gor no biken dein midit biken la de do no wana mako bating na ba de gang leren jog bandling banarwache ke kya Abyei wa da dan shine dangwal ngwan shika lutin kam SPDF kan SPLA-IO bana jome bana jelinkel man ya man bana lingwasme ta danen sha SPLA-IO leader kan de niken ke kwade ni cha ka yen ka jere which ka juba no ke kan corpus ne dang baro titi ne ka pai diok ko bene ka jen pai well me ka cha ka nang ka gwalo kan chal ke special code ai kono en special code mo jen shi method jen me chalel ke siyasa ke politik ke kwi ko ba SPLA-IO ba kwarken ba ka yen no a cha ka bi palwe ke ba ka chen ajek jen mi yan ke Dr. Riek Machar no ken jikware ka kuma SPLA-IO but men chibena la men gaina ka je long men chinadir ka je la General Gabriel Doblam te ke jom chalat guasme no shalad no cha sheng jek rete jen cha cheng jek long shalad ne ne jene ke sheng dan yan ka je sha nan ka giada ki do de ni kel kona bodyguard nika wajente ke bodyguard ni ajana mishine shobone ka tijenan chwal ke jamus cell ke jamus detention ajana shwada kona netin konti la jikwara ala dini ala bodyguard nika ajana nika jen wera money jana shwa teda shwa je yen ke check no ajana shwa duwaje long shwa tortured ke jen wera mo chi General Gabriel Doblam jo mo chejelat jani kajen wara moni misha adwejo ken no jani shukana nyopel jani man la chibene la dira long ke shocking ka kwera pai kwanya mshale ship of defense ani ko ma pai kwanya ntama wude shal ke General Paul nang jeni Paul nang je jegre te jen te bere te jen no jeni shwe gwit shwe jego no bajin nang naga tetka General Paul nang pai kwanya ntama mila chief of defense minister ntama ka gwa wude shal ke me aturjang jen jene sha torture ka cha chenga je ga longa polna first dang bakare ti jen jene ta tinelo la torture ne chang la chang ga je ga long jene kantada kan chi ka kan ka men watch kan pe dang bakal dia ba to je ka ba torture kan baro jej jen to ton ga ti chiro dian lat jene chenge ba tet ka ba kul boy ke je chang jan dang re de jok ka jen pai bong man chen jan dang re de jok ka pai bong man no jen chenge da ne ba tin tet ka da ba kul boy ke je no chela ro chang na mena rami mo me la khwar ka join defense board kene citizen see the some native content malte Indian the la mete chito la kan jen bukan man chito bukan which yani achang je kanon so shalat General Gabriel Doblam and which achang jek you know so no more mediten jom china me chirmenen kona me sikona big with a simple thing me shankara me momela top general changa jek ramichilet ke kwi malka ba ke chilet ke ni kontila ke peace monitoring ana pad bakel te tenete de ke kwane rete jen ka jano changa dol wal chewtin cha changa je kalong cha tortured ka jan wudu shal ka me pol nang la kona lan shang no pol nang ramkel milan nightmare kanwari jen mo kwai ngeje nyoko me la kuer eno ko banwer ba nyoko menaka ka mini lar what do you think no kwai ngeje nyoko ki what is the reason behind his appointment again ko na me reappointment kir mi jadi mishi odong banwer ba kanaka mishi na me che shungon gwasamo no chane ngaji no dakreng machar chaje yen ka chaje nangka gwalok ba karam kel kene te konte tan ka mal yen kene kir mi yadi de kan tan malo an ngoda ba chaje yen ni ka chanya dang rid bakel ka pai de kurun kin dang yen dang rid de ngoda kan rar kene jenen ki kan na lu tena na gwalok lo gwang ka chaka kare so chalat kel kene ka kene te konte yen kel international community chikala de dakreng machar de jelloin no dung na me kan let no ko lat gan no lo reng ma charge be mal bi no but mal ngoda kan no kan ne ko la international community chang man men ku kan kim yadit ku kan prayer no jin lo reng ma cha lo reng ma cha ban men be jelong jene man nya ka ya dakreng ma char personal bodyguard ude shal ka captain luka gatung nyon mi chete tena tama ko jen charge tortured ka the same thing jine dana chaga yenten jerman chana ngai nyun cha chenga jegre ti jen dwai ka je pal ka je bot pal ka je piu kana naitin koken and then chi ye de che jen ka changwal badda ka pai bangwan ron kin dang ro jan dang ro de ti kan look kana to ko look to ko je ka chanya dang ro de ro ka pai bangwan ron kin dang ro jan dang ro de ti ye de che jere ti jen chara de o jen chaje pen o we dol wal ko ken gadi chaga chang jaga long ken yam bianga jino ne ne diti kwa simple kwa target ko ken kanware ka kwa target ba ko ka SPLA-IO te gor ke document cha personal bodyguard a chang me cha 74 bodyguard personal bodyguard cha ga release am kel chi de jen ken simple ken testimony ken lat ba ko do bran cha chang jaga ja ko cha chang jaga long re te jen men yana ka kormi cha luka cha na ka ken luka ga tung nyon chang mi chaja naka me kan gujino dong be duar ba we jek chu kan eri jan baro widon wan chu kan ka nyoko mi lun kan ka ko ngai kan no chikan na chang je ga long so de chi ti ga to re we kan ju ba re te jen kan ete kon la ga no re ka ku ma SPLA-IO ti no ne ne anna luka me mu loka men tamare wi ke ju ba ka kwi da ka ma char jen ba mal ba jeno ke ba South Sudan ba je lo jre ko na meni maybe she me thought she simple jen question and am dande ko ran take je bonu South Sudan were kur ke bu gwana jen ko ne to kon tin lat ke je kan naka no ke ne te kon lan were chana wo ka laran rode sharam kel ko kuma SPLA-IO mishayen chaje luñ ke do ran chalat ke jen please kan kono ni ami jiram jidit gwas me gor jen wojen der Changfied YouTube channel der nyane de koken ka der subscribe ko bler kon lat ko den buke chwaling ka tok nat ken tok kawai ne gor no bi ko haramat ano ka bi raden bi laro betin dial to ba ka ngai kwa don please ko subscribe ko notification bell ko jotwai ko bi den chamala shu ban jo me ban jelin kel ko do budan en chetok Ray wiki juba National Security Service chicken ram kel ka SPLA-IO pin dakreng machar official chicken luñ kan jikan yen ke chenge dane lokal lukaja wudo mo shala Alfred Ganmai Kong Rami Molaran Information Secretary of Mayom County SPLA-IO caucus jana kuar ran ler Alfred gan mai kong jen cha je yen ka do mi mo kan do bi yan ge kan lat no na gan mai yan ke je ka freedom wall re je tene di alten gwan men tena gwan ngadika gwa court ka no no jen cha je yen ka kor ka mi che wo gwa dan dan lo ke dak ma chaten ka kodieri kene ne dang baro kon cha yen kel jen chaje gwanyen go jen ne kene order kene jiling no e chaje go no jen jitol ke gwada dan wona ritin e shelok ke jen nan gan mai wa jen wa pick ni je ke kap ko ni je ne re na wa mu tet ke she ke kwani ka shwa nang ne jara tele mi chalat chen kel janga jen wo jen thok de ke jen li hade ko national security mi gane ke jen o ba jen ka ken ke bi kana loy ci gan mai cha yen no ya na amen mi shari pot cha jelat ngo ci gan mai cha lara mi ma cha na national security service SPLA-IO use leak no ci kana laro ne na ta cha yen gan mai kani unlawful cha te kamot no ka kani do mi mo mi cha kuma SPLA-IO cha je lok ke cha je nyir no ko rami mi jin ami mala SPLA-IO members ke jin buram kel ka bon SPLA-IO baji dil target ken so name mi lero dare wiki juba ka kor ke me chaje yenen gan mai chaje lun ke changa do tien chi SPLA-IO use leak ramdan la roch kake ke spokesperson ga tiek wichar jelaran wona na cha gan mai chaje lun national security service antama jakel kake so mugi korik di chikiriti chana bugi lora bang akena kona to ka dob danen cha dakrama cha yen ke en ram michro de ti ke dakrama char baji dil target ken jen ta dan le roda mi moba an lawful ke je tekan woden wode rande je target ko jen is supporting a certain party jade gwa ki jin ko ran ko target no ko anwar ko most of the time this is what happen you know jo me dera le jen ler da dien ler dio dien ban len gwaseme ta danen cha na cha ka kap chong ka je ke cha na cha ka ne ka je ke cha ka bar ka da do bachal ke juba bor road da do juba men we ka bor ban jo chalat gwaseme kuma kirmi yadit ke kuma SSPD ban jeling ci kondi ala ngaje no ka ken kornin titi ja te karik to ngwalong ti chitwo ka juba bor road mi se wejjen ka juba wi ka bor te ka gat ke ne ti nakna de dom bi charen la tan wen mon ci kon ne no che te ka ne de ngwana nak da do ka barkana ka chanka ngwan ngai kon men chitwo wudin shal keret kwang director general of Jonglei State Minister of Health yen wajele ka terbil makaba kana ne ti ko ken wa chop den ka dor shal ka mugiri no wa wena mo chwa do haj ma ne ti kan ngach chwa terbile chwa jabar no cha jo mo cha jalat ka changro ba wa cha na ba cha ka bushke cha ka kapjong gwa da chal ke bil nyang en mugere no wa chu de ni chu kan terbil chu kan do haj ma chu kan dangro chu kan go moy ka bot dit ka chu kan kwa ken dial chu kan kanang na mo mi chod la re wichin winimi wa chu kan ngajre ro Jonglei State Information Minister nyamarlun chemichena me cheja condemn ke cheja lok chala na me mi jagalong ajana na many mi jak jani is not only a crime against individual but jana me kane de yar kan safety don wait kelio comme don lel kala targen ram kel de la wara ram me ku ka targen ram makro but ku ka targen wait kelio ram mo mi jel ka dop baji del target njira mo an incident chikirete waji na dual ka jal yenu ka juba kulo bor ko jatene ri sharan ladan dar mo tan nakana ka kwaki keno ka ngane ban ngai kone gwano te chala red bill group te kan ka parten SSPDF spokesperson ramla roi kala major general lure kong yala ro nene ai chikante ka ngai kari kan kono to ka juba borot ka kujamo kan bikan de ni bikan ka deploy ke bikan ga lazlat ko de checkpoint de galat ka checkpoint me dana ken ne te konte wo ken ka ni ga do be dana kan wo je chicken chiri tungwani chula chirin chula ten mo go je no ken badonga kan iten kon na kana de domne ko ku ga targen na ki ku targen nwere cha jo mo cha jalat la ne tu ngwalar kan no na me che chuang ko kume kane cha ne neglect ke cha ne look cha ne ignore kume kin yadit na kane da domni ka tele ne security murung ka jana cha mal cha je implement jal wa dalkan ka jal da do mo dar shal ke bor ka wud jen ka jubu ko lo bor ko se te ne to wanti la ro den wanam wane tin kontin dong na kana da dum wa kane de konti la to gwa dana ko ko oktin ko gwa mo ka mo gere tech center milawak la ka ko tin na lat ke wo brand bo ko yang ki yang bi ko tin wane mo jan gwa ran let ngo la kan plan kin kan shwa le gwa mo bikani kon te yo den jen ga juba ke den jen bor bikani na kan tayar mo jan do dan le ro da jen so most de ko la kan kon te la gat la la ka ko la kan dong na kana da dum man deren wan den gwasame gwada danan shi dai ni SSPDF kan dai ni SPLA-IO chikan nyintin kashi ne risho wal wan chikan lieutenant ray kormo chala do na korme to gare we ka be gwami mo shi korshe toktin alla tem shali unify force ki dai de chamat ti dai ni SPLA-IO tin kada dai ni SSPDF tin ne ko gwada dan ku kor ku to kan dai ni ti let kan kel kan manga anta me che togo no ne che te motor me shika ga kan gwada mane ka jan kor jo kono mene ala kor toga kam officer dangro wa titi a personal matter ki just mulo ne ke lo che de indial che kanang ten men ter kan gwasa me wa dung check meter kana mo captain kan lieutenant kan de kono dong chi rodien nakanyam cha captain cha nak cha badar wuda danan cha check de cha go captain ajan do danan to kor kaje mi cha captain naga je to cho re den rodien cho bar ne wel ngwan te wal die yu liwon wana mon no ke dini chop ka die te cha mo ka bot badak te chilu ka SSPDF kan dang bakal te liu ka ku ma SPLA-IO chala do karam kel mla civilian en gwal dana ci korche tokten are kurmo ci de ni SPLA-IO ne ti chukka kudang wan charen ci watch re de ni SSPDF jan do dana ci korche toga jen ka ci rew nen tan wan ci ke liutin are kurmo ne ko kormi korche togo ci captain ken lieutenant ci kormi togo ke ka cha captain cha janak ci na churin chu ret jen mi liu ne di chukka wel di ke jamone are kurmo ne ne wal diti chilu kam SSPDF na ken SPLA-IO ka be shuguru den chu dak pin ko chikan go jano telm do den mo bro da lat no chi den de kudang wan ke SPLA-IO charen chu watch chikan chu re ruop no ajen do badanan to kon tama awa ge ge jen wo bataka kurmi ni beto ko gwasan be ko chi force da na kwal gwini je VIP force te dongde na de kan kamat re ke South Sudan chi ren yo da deni kudang wan charen chu wo chi deni ko ken chi dot ka kum SSPDF jan re ka dan chu lar na mo chala dan wo chane to ngwan cha mo ka bot ka ko hospital jo dan chalat jan dan en dong gorno de nyaka ye kel en me me jira me jidit gwas me gorno jin be subscribe. Dear viewer, these are the main stories shaping South Sudan today. The shocking torture of SPLA-IO detainees, the arrest and release of Alfred Abyei, deadly ambush on the Juba Bo Road, and the tragic clash in Abyei. What do these stories tell us? They tell us that peace is still fragile. They tell us that South Sudan is walking on a thin line between peace and war. South Sudan people want peace. Families want to live without free. Youth want education and job, not war. Women want safety for their children, not gunfire. But as long as leaders are arrested, tortured, or killed, and as long as the army fight among itself, peace will remain only a dream. The international community has warned that keeping Dr. Machar in custody will not bring stability. It may instead bring us back to war. As citizens, we must keep asking, is this the South Sudan we want? Thank you for watching Changfied YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more updates, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.